After you signing into your TurboTax account under TurboTax.intuit.com, click on the File option at the left side of your screen. On the number 3, named Get Ready to Save and File Your Returns, click the Continue or Revisit button. On here you may choose on which return you want to file by mail physically, by clicking on Change button besides it, and choose File by Mail option right here, and click the Save button. You may follow the prompt to agree on filing your return physically until you reach this page. Then click on Download button to download your tax return. After your file was successfully downloaded, you may print it by clicking right here on the Print button and mail it by paper. Or just download it to your computer to print it on another computer. Please make sure to read it all again of your printed tax return. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.